Hello everyone, Coach Erica here again. And in this video, we're going to get into your first hoop dance fitness combo. So this is for an absolute beginner. You are going to basically learn 3 basic moves and you're going to put them together. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to put on some music and we are going to just get right into it. Okay? So first and foremost, we are going to start with front stance hooping, right? Shifting our weight forward and back, introducing the hoop. We're going to give a little push, brace our abs like somebody's going to hit you, brace yourself there and make sure you're stabilized in your core and shift your weight forward and back. I like to use my arms as just like the reminder that, hey, this is how I'm going to push forward, back, okay? Use both arms for that. Then, second move in this combo here is side to side, okay? Side stance hooping. I'm going to take my arms and I'm going to move side to side just to mentally, remind myself here, hey, this is the way that I'm going to move my body, okay? Core's then still engaged, side to side, side to side. These are your contact points, okay? You push, push, now, 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 okay? Next, we're gonna stay here and we're gonna do we're gonna bend down just a little bit. Knees are soft, we're just gonna come down just a little bit and we're gonna do a slight torso twist. Torso twist. Get your favorite music on, okay? This is a great combo for a beginner. Once you get waist hooping down, you're doing my first video in this series, and you're getting waist hooping down, and you're ready to do your twists, okay? It's a slight movement. You're still here in the side stance hooping, and you're gonna keep going, but you're gonna add a little twist. You're gonna go to the side just a little bit, okay? It's gonna be an easy one, gentle. This is great low impact way to move, okay? Easy on the joints, stabilizing your core. So let's practice that. Front stance hooping, okay? Side stance hooping. Stay here. Twist. Okay? This can be a little bit challenging, but this is really good for engaging your core. Okay? Okay? All right, I'm going to add some music, and let's do this together. Forward stance hooping. Side. Twist. Forward. It's a good combo for a beginner. Side to side. Stay here. Forward stance. You will get so good at this if you keep practicing. Side. You got this. Forward stance. Side to side. All right. So that was a beginner hoop dance workout combo. And be sure to cool down. I have a cool down video right here that you can do to get yourself cooled down and stretched for the remainder of the day. All right. Thank you so very much. If you'd like to learn more about hooping, be sure to check out one of my bundles and, of course, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so very much. It's a pleasure serving you. God bless.